So hey guys, so I was posting some photos of my rig the other day on Facebook on a cable modders page, and someone brought the attention to me that, man, you have that Noctua cooler there on your CPU. So as you can see, I have a black fan, that's a swap, so I've changed that for this guy, because as you know, Noctua coolers, although they are very quiet and very cool, the paint scheme, it's just, I don't know. So my rig, as you can see, has a black, red and gray theme on it, and the cooler just wasn't cut. So it's like, I don't know. So I've changed that here, and now it looks a lot better. But I've noticed now, as I was changing it, oh man, those case fans are like not cutting it anymore. So I bought this guy. This is from the Chromax series from Noctua, the black ones. This is the Noctua NF-A14 PWM chromax.black.swap. And I thought to myself, if I've changed this one, why not change the case fans? So this case is the Fantex N2 Evolve ATX. It comes with these 140mm black fans with white blades, one in the back and two in the front, as you can see. And I thought, okay, now I must change the case fans also. So I bought this guy. But not just this guy, I bought 3 of them. And now let's do an unboxing on this guy. So they come in this very plain but good packaging. The fan is very encased in there in this plastic thing, and it comes with these rubber grommets that you can mount on the corners, just like you can see here. And you can have you have like 6 colors you can choose from. And yeah, I thought to myself, okay, if I'm going all the way, I'm going all the way. And yeah, for those in the comments that I know you're gonna type there, why don't you got some RGB fans? Man, I hate RGB. I don't really like it. I have an RGB keyboard. It's the K70 Vengeance K70 from Corsair, and I just bought this and put it on white, and that's it. I don't really like RGB. I want just white colors, and that's it. Okay, so this guy here, let me show you the specs a little bit for those who are interested. So the specs are, it's a 140mm fan. It's a PWM fan. The maximum RPMs are 1500. It's very quiet at 24.6 decibels. That's almost silent. That's basically silent. A silent fan. You can almost, this one, I had this one for almost 2 years. I didn't have any problem. I don't hear it. I hear the graphics card fans over that. So it's like no problem. Very high quality fan. I mean, you know, Noctua is Noctua. So what you get in the packages are these rubber grommets here, and in this little box here you get, if I can open it, some more rubber grommets. So like you have 6 colors, from blue, black, yellow, green, red and white. And you have the mounting screws for each fan. And that's about it. It's just a case fan. I'm going to replace that, and then they will be all matched. So I will be back with them all swapped.
A few moments later.
So we are back after I've swapped the fans. As you can see, it took me a little bit to unscrew all the other fans, so we can see the other 3 fans that came with the case are here. So the black fans, the stock fans that came with the Fantex N2 Evolve ATX. So as you can see, this is looking pretty color coordinated now, as this was the thing I was looking for. So the two fans in the front. I don't know if this is a thing for these fans, but as you can see, I'll show you here, I only have 4 red rubber grommets for noise dampening on the NF-A12s, NF-A14 PWM fans. But this fan, the one on the CPU cooler, this one came with 4. So I don't know if it's just the way these came, with only 4, but as you can see here in the front, I put the rubber grommets in the back, of course, for noise dampening. But on this one, I've actually used, where the fan makes contact with the case, I've used the black ones, so the red ones would be in the front to match this fan. But it's not a biggie. It's alright. So as you can see, it looks pretty good. Let's just turn the PC on to see them at work. Oh yeah. So as you can see, the PC is turning on. Yeah, just like I said before, the Noctua fans are really, really good quality. There's basically no noise. So it's a little bit of noise, but that's from the graphics card. This is a Zotac GTX 1060 3GB. But the fans on this card that do not stop spinning when you're just on the desktop, just doing basic stuff and not gaming, so they're a little bit louder. But basically the other fans, I cannot hear them. They are controlled with the Asus FanQ software. I've turned them down, and yeah, it looks pretty good. Yeah, I'm really glad I've done this. So from this to this, it's like, yeah. Now the only thing that bothers me, as I've noticed, is the CPU tower cooler. As you can see, the NF, I don't know the name of that right now. NHU14S, yes. This CPU tower cooler from Noctua. I know they make some covers to cover up this shiny tower cooler here, this plate, but they don't have it for this one. So yeah, I don't know. I was thinking about painting this black or something, or gray, but I don't know. For now, I will just let it like this. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. Yeah, I actually like it. With all the cable mount, red cables, sleeve cables, and the red illumination on the motherboard. It's looking pretty good. I like it. So thank you for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one maybe.